Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and today I'm going to review the Zeus Smart Car Charger accessory by Nonda. So without much ado, let's get started. Besides charging your device in the car, the Zeus Smart Car Charger comes with Bluetooth feature which helps you find your car in crowded parking. We'll talk about the features of the device later. Let's talk about the box contents and design of the charger first. The packaging of the charger is very simple. In the box, the first thing you will find is the Zeus charger itself along with a user manual. Speaking of the design, the Zeus car charger has been designed in Germany and comes with military grade quality for unmatched toughness. It is made up of high quality polycarbonate with titanium coating. It looks simple yet classy. It is a bit heavier than other car chargers available in the market. The overall design is quite tough and premium. This device has two fast charging ports with support for 4.8 amp maximum output. It is claimed to be twice as fast as a normal USB charger and is said to fully charge two iPad Airs within 3.75 hours. To use this charger, all you need to do is download the Zeus app on your smartphone, which comes for both iOS and Android for free. After downloading the app, plug the charger and it will light up. This feature is called as Elegant Lighting System. The Zeus app connects automatically when the charger is plugged in. The USB ports also light up for easy visibility in dark surroundings. Whenever you switch off the Bluetooth or take out the charger or turn off the ignition, the Bluetooth connection will break and it will automatically save the parking location of your car on the Zeus app. So, if you forget where you have parked your car, the Zeus app on your phone will give you distance and directions to the location where you have parked your car using phone's GPS. In our testing, this feature was pretty much accurate. This charger doesn't come with GPS in itself. It works seamlessly with Bluetooth instead. It also allows you to set up an alarm for how long you want to leave the car parked. In case you have to rush somewhere or your parking ticket is about to expire, then the alarm will prompt you to go back to the car. Now the pricing and value for money. The Zeus Smart Car Charger carries a price tag of around $35 or Rs 2400, which is justified considering the tough build and interesting feature it offers. If you're looking for a fast car charger and you often tend to forget where you have parked your car, then this is a great value for money device and we highly recommend it. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please leave a thumbs up by pressing the like button. For more such videos from Intellect Digest, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.